Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope all is well with you. What is your thought about this? It's been my desire during yesteryears to be able to develop a farm where I can release all the animals and allow them to live in a natural way. Meaning the free-range chicken, and I see in my dreams before that there's gonna be an aviary, there's gonna be a goat house, and many more. I think this is partially realized now that we have this little farm. And just this morning, I was really thrilled by doing some boating exercise. And it's actually good for your spirit. Riding in this boat and in this very solemn place is actually self-fulfilling and self-satisfying. Especially that we are on a busy community. This is a place where serenity and tranquility is still very present. And what you can hear are the sounds of the birds and these animals. And right now, we are sitting on top of this boathouse, and this is my first time because we have just completed the roofings and it's not anymore hot, especially during 9 o'clock in the morning. It's very warm because this is directly hit by the sunlight. And since we already have completed the roofings, we enjoy the shade and we enjoy the very tranquil temperature. So guys, we are on the 90% completion of our boathouse, and you will see that we just need to do some fixing right here. Actually, this sidings is just made of wood, and I utilize the GI sheets to cover the side, and then it will slowly go up right there to have this, form of a boathouse. And one of the things that I have to tell you is we can make this wood or these materials very strong if we're gonna use this white glue, this wood glue actually. And in each of these joints, I instructed my staff to really put this white glue because this is very helpful in making the joints fixed and very strong, that it will not easily break up. And you will see that it's working. The roofings are already strong, and I just hope that we can complete this for this week, and then we're gonna start with the lightings. I'm thinking about putting some pen lights right here, the colored lights that will be looking very great and elegant during the night. In total, we were able to use 40 GI sheets with a measurement of 2.5 feet by 10. And we made it sure that in every nail or the umbrella nail will always be covered also with this Vulca seal. We will seal every nail of the rooftop to make it very strong. So Vulca seal is also one of the materials that we used. And another thing that I have experienced is that when we're gonna use the bamboo in the water, that would certainly last long. And I'm thinking about 10 years from now, I hope this will still last. And maybe that time when we can do already the business, we can make some concrete boat for our customers and our followers. So I'm thinking also about making this area here as our reception area. If you're gonna learn about something like this rabbitry, talking about chickens and hito farming, we can do some pep talks right here. We can do some lectures, and this is gonna be a good place where we can serve the food and we can serve some native delicacies for us to enjoy. So for this week, we're gonna make the lock right here, over there. We already have made on the other side, and this is the only thing that we lock here to make this more steady and sturdy. So we will use the wood, we will lock this one right here just like that, and then we will start also putting some lights and some decors, maybe Christmas decors, because it's almost December, and I hope we can do this by the end of this year. All in all, we have an expenses of 120,000 pesos. That's more or less $2,000. And these are very cheap compared to, making this concrete. We will not be able to do this with this limited budget if we're gonna make concrete materials, or if we're gonna use concrete materials such as cement and iron works. Rent a boat. This is one of the business that I'm also thinking about. We can just rent our boat and enjoy boating in the fish pond together with the ducks and our catfish. And just this morning, as what I've told you, I made an exercise. I honed my boating skills. This is not my turf, actually. I'm not used to doing it, but it's easy and fun, especially that the water is deep and you can just, freely canoe your boat and roam around together with the ducks. And from here, you can see the beautiful scenery like the mountains, and you will feel also the gentle breeze, and then you will also feel that you are in an exclusive place, away from the noise of the vehicle, away from the noise of the people in the metropolis. And this is a tranquil area, good for meditation as well. So you can come here. I'm so excited to offer this place for you, and I hope that by your help, with your support, we can always make progress about the projects that we're thinking about. And there is a vast area to be developed right there. And as soon as we're gonna have the budget, maybe we can start doing the expansion. But for the meantime, we are focused on the completion of this boat, and then from here, we're gonna start another project. Oh my God, I'm beginning to like this place. You can see that it's big and it's spacious. For 50 to 60 people, we can accommodate it here. We will put some tables and then have a breakfast together. It's gonna be an exciting thing. I invited my friends to come and visit. As soon as this is gonna be completed, we will dine together and then enjoy our meal and relax and have some fun. These are all the things that we can share. I hope you enjoyed this update, and if you're not subscribed to this channel, may I humbly ask you to please subscribe and hit that notification bell, because we are uploading regularly exciting and educational videos. So see you in my next video, only here at Dexter's World.